Hello, what's up guys, this is AJ and welcome to this first video of introduction to Canva. So today we're going to talk about Canva and how it's the most professional and powerful tool that you can use in designing your poster, whether it be thumbnail or whether it be designing your poster for your freelancing job. Anything and everything you can find in Canva we're going to talk about today. It's gonna be quite like a long video, but I believe that you're gonna learn so much more from this video. So just before we start right now, we're just gonna head towards the App Store and we're gonna download Canva. So this application, the Canva application, is available on iPhone and also on Android devices. You can also install on your iPad, and it's the same in every devices there, and the GUI, the graphical user interface, is exactly the same on every devices. So this is one of the most powerful graphic design and video making tool for your poster, or whether it be cards or logo maker. So make sure to use this. You can see how there are thousands of templates over here and eye-popping videos. You can design your videos, the intro videos for your YouTube channel, even through this same tool, that is Canva, directly from a mobile application. Okay, so fast forward. Okay, so the application has been downloaded. We'll directly open the application. Okay, so this is how it's gonna look at the beginning. So you can either continue with your Google account or directly connect with your Facebook, or directly continue with the Apple ID that you already have on your iPhone device. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna continue with the Google account. So yeah guys, this is how it's gonna look like when you open the Canva. Alright, so I'm just gonna use this assistive touch in order to point out to the portion where I'm going to talk about. Okay, so first of all, you can see over here there's a search option over here, search for Canva, and over here you can write in all the things that you wanna look for, like whether it be Instagram post. If you type in, you'll get a number of templates over here which you can use for your design. All right, and you can X out of it and you can directly go to the home menu. You can see over here there are different cards over here for Instagram post, whether it be video or logo, Instagram story, presentation, banner, and all this kind of things. You're gonna see it over here. Alright, so you can also design your YouTube thumbnail right from here. So other than this, the creative design, you can see over here the Instagram post. Alright, this is few of the templates that is over here that you can use. Alright, when you click on see all, you can use any of the templates from here in order to design your poster. Alright, and this is the same with your stories as well. Okay, and the same for your poster or maybe your phone wallpaper. So there's a number of options over here, which category kind of poster or flyers that you want to design. You can click on that and accordingly you can start your design. Okay, so the next thing over here is you can click on the design over here. All right, these are a few of my designs over here, and this is Canva Pro. If you are someone who has subscribed to the Canva Pro, you'll be able to get these features and you'll be able to see what are the new updates that are coming in right over here. Okay, and the other thing that we have here is the menu bar. The menu bar is over here. We're gonna see all your folders. This is about the design that I have created. Okay, and the trash cans, it means that every design which I have created, if I have deleted those designs, it will directly hop in over here in the trash can. And the amazing thing is you can also create a content planner, all right, from the Canva, right? On which date, what are the things that you're gonna design, you can create a content planner over here itself. Okay, we're gonna talk in detail about this in the upcoming videos. Right now it's just basic on introduction to Canva, so we're gonna just look around for different kind of features that we have over here. So this is something that talks about the brand kit. So this is regarding your brand logos that you want to have. Okay, and the fonts and the fonts and the color that you want to have, the particular color design that you want to have for your brand. This is mostly about that. You can design your own brand kit and use the same brand kit for every kind of posters, all right, whether it be thumbnail or Instagram post as well. Okay, so this is what we are seeing over here. All right, this is my email address, account settings, and privacy policy, and sign out. You can sign out directly from here. So this is really a cool application for you to start off on a basic level on designing your poster, flyers, or anything in the Canva. Okay, so you can see one of the design that I have over here right on the screen, the wallpaper. This is something which I designed from Canva directly. So yeah, this is an amazing tool for you. It will help you to grow your business in a freelancing world, even on online in terms of digital marketing, or even if you are someone who is a YouTube creator, you can use this application right on in order to design your thumbnail and even make your intro videos for your YouTube channel. I believe that this is an amazing and powerful tool that everyone right now must have on their mobile device. So this is all about the introduction to Canva, and this is the first video that we have just touched on. There are so much more to discover in Canva, and we're gonna talk about it in the next upcoming videos. So I encourage you to continue to watch the videos that I'll be uploading, and also look around for the videos that I'll be uploading, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you'll be the first one to be notified regarding the videos that I have uploaded, and also hit the notification bell icon so that you don't miss on any of the videos that will be released on a weekly basis. So this is all about introduction to Canva. Thank you guys for watching this video, and until then, goodbye.